In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to edit a multi-currency order using Order Editor. First, select the order that you would like to edit. Verify that the order is an international order and notice that the currency has been converted. Shopify does not allow any apps to use their multi-currency APIs, and because of this, Order Editor isn't able to edit orders that were placed using a different currency than your store's default currency. To address this, we have devised a simple workaround. To perform this workaround, click on More Actions in the top right, select Cancel Order, select the radio button next to Refund Later, deselect the box at the bottom to avoid notifying the customer. Now click on the red button titled Cancel Order. Now, click on More Actions, select Duplicate, and then click on the button titled Duplicate. With the duplicate order created as a draft, scroll down and select Market. Change the primary market to match the currency used by your store. In this case, we're going to select US dollar and then click Change Market. You will see that the total will adjust from the foreign denomination to your store's currency. Because we didn't refund the customer's original order, we can now mark this duplicate order as paid by clicking Collect Payment, select the option Mark as Paid, and then click Create Order. With this order created, we can now make changes to the order by clicking on More Actions and selecting Edit Order. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net. We're always here to help.